Hello and welcome to Bake With Me series. My name is Uno and this is a brownies recipe from Christmas chocolate. So I got a lot of milk chocolates from the last holidays, but I didn't really like them because they're usually too sweet for my taste. I get inspired to use them as sugar substitute to a brownie recipe, but I know it is silly to call it substitute because they are basically sugar too. But anyway, the recipe starts with melting all together butter and the Christmas chocolates. First, put them in a large bowl. I use water on the stove to melt the butter and the chocolate. With this method, they won't easily get burnt. After they melt, let them sit for a while and whisk them a little bit with a mixer. After that, put 2 eggs into the butter. And mix it again for a few minutes. But remember not to overmix. Add the dry ingredients that consist of flour, baking powder, and salt. And fold it until you can't see any lump. Pour the butter into a greased cake pan. Put it into preheated oven. Bake it for 25 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Take out, let it cool, and enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to watch more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.